In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share focus status on message in iPhone. Alright, I'm on the iPhone home screen right now and we're going to set this up through settings so your focus status can be shared properly and messages is allowed to use it. First thing I'm doing is opening the settings app, the grey gear icon. I'm tapping settings now, and once it opens you'll see the usual list of options. From here we need to get into focus, so I'm scrolling down the settings list a bit until I find focus. When you see focus, go ahead and tap it. I'm tapping focus now. Okay, now we're on the focus screen. This is where all your focus modes live, and there are also a couple of general focus settings in here. The next thing we need is focus status. So I'm looking on this screen for the option labeled focus status, and once I see it, I'm going to tap it. Alright, tapping focus status. Now we're inside the focus status page. This is the section that controls whether your iPhone shares that I have a focus on status with apps that support it. On this screen we're going to turn on share focus status. So I'm finding the toggle for share focus status and I'm tapping the switch to turn it on. Once it's on, the toggle should look active, and that's the confirmation that the sharing part is enabled. Now the next instruction is to go back to settings, so I'm going to back out of this screen. I'm tapping back to leave focus status, and then I'm going back again until I'm back at the main settings list. The main thing here is you want to be back on the regular settings page where you can scroll through all the categories again. Alright, now that I'm back on the main settings screen, we're going to head to privacy and security, and it's down near the bottom. So at this point I'm scrolling down the settings list pretty far. I'm moving steadily until I get close to the bottom area, and I'm watching for privacy and security. Once you see privacy and security, go ahead and tap it. Okay, tapping privacy and security now. Now we're on the privacy and security screen. There are a lot of items in here, so we're just looking for one called focus. So I'm scanning down this page until I see focus, and once it shows up I'm going to tap it. Alright, I see focus, tapping that now. Now we're on the focus privacy screen. This is where you control which apps are allowed to access or use focus status. What we need to do here is turn on the toggle for messages. So I'm looking down the list for messages, and once I find it I'm going to tap the switch next to it to turn it on. There we go, once it's on the toggle will look active, and that means messages is allowed for focus in this privacy section. At this point I like to pause for a second and just confirm what we set. We turned on share focus status in the focus settings, and then we came into privacy and security, opened focus, and turned on the toggle for messages. As long as messages is switched on here, it's enabled for this part of the setup. And that's it, there's no save button for these switches, so everything applies immediately as you toggle it on. You can tap back out of these menus whenever you're ready, or just close settings, and your focus status sharing is now set up with messages enabled in the focus privacy settings.